Fed up with continuous traffic jams in Mumbai, residents of Kanjurmarg and Bhandup area staged a protest this morning. Citizens complained that roads in these areas witness a traffic bottleneck every day due to metro construction work, pavement repairs and illegal encroachments. Mumbaikars, along with school children, formed a human chain to draw attention of the authorities.
500 residents have gathered here forming a human chain. They're protesting not against the development but the fact that both the works have been carried out simultaneously, because of which they're facing a host of problems. Now, in fact, let's just go across to a few people who have participated in this protest and understand what the problems are. Ma'am, thank you so much for speaking to Mirror Now. Tell us about the inconveniences that you face. Tell us what your problems are.
Right now, when they've dug up the road, there is zero quality on the handling the cables. There was a huge gas pipe leakage a few days back. So this is how they are handling the cables. The water pipeline broke twice. So our issue is not with development. Our issue is the way they are developing it. So we need proper planning and we need quality of work, and we want start time and end time for every 1 kilometer of work.
Alright. So we've been seeing how there are traffic jams on the roads. There's no space for pedestrians to walk. Tell us, what are the kind of problems that you face?
So the stretch from Mangatram to Gandhinagar signal is around 2.5 kilometers. It takes around 55 minutes now, and earlier it used to take 15 minutes. We want development to happen and we appreciate that it is happening, but our issue which we are trying to highlight here is that the authorities need to plan it and do it in a systematic manner. What is happening today is that the metro barricade has happened, but at the same time, the footpath has been dug up, stormwater work is going on, cables have been dug up, some piping work is going on. So today, there is no place left for pedestrians to walk. Two-wheeler people are suffering, and at the same time, people who are even traveling in their cars, etc., take around 50 to 55 minutes to cover this 2-kilometer stretch.
We have a lot of issues. See, the non-stop traffic issues. We can't take our vehicles out. Somebody is sick and the ambulance is stuck in the road. It just keeps, it takes hours together to just reach the nearest junction. So, and then the perennial noise, dust, and small children find it so difficult to even cross the road, and then all these issues are there.
I don't come out unless I'm in the car. Secondly, when the ambulance are stuck here, at home we start getting palpitation because the constant noise is too much. So that becomes very difficult. And in the middle of the night also the traffic is quite a lot. There is no peace in the area now.